All right, here we go again. This is my third time trying to video this. I was using my DJI 3, and for some unknown reason, the apps aren't showing the videos I made. So, frustrating. Anyway, this is where we're staying for the night. I'm gonna stay in one of these smaller ones tomorrow night. Let's have a look around. 2 huge beds. Another seating area with a full wardrobe and some toiletries, because here's the bathroom, which is open air almost. Yeah. There's the shower, there's the toilet, Thai style. There we go. So yeah, so this is in Nong Khai, outside of Nong Khai, where spending the night, or 2 nights in this location. Not in this room though. There we go. Got a big sitting area.